I'm making a jumper for one young shepherd. He supplied me with colored rayon fleece and I spun the wool, and now I have one sleeve done for the body, underbody is done, and now I spun the wool for a second sleeve, and now I'm at crocheting, so hopefully by Sunday it is all ready and our young shepherd can have a new jumper to work in.
One will be slaughtered. Peter is looking for the fattest one to slaughter.
The sport of pheasant shooting as we now know it was invented in the late 19th century. Prince Albert and his sons were big fans of shooting, but they had a problem. Traditionally, shooting parties tried to sneak up on the pheasants, which meant most of the birds got away. So a new technique evolved, employing beaters to drive the game towards the guns, with a series of calls.
You've got to hold the line. I think you're making much noise, Peter.
For land agent Rupert Acton, shooting runs in the family.
My great-grandfather, Augustus Wood Acton, lived here in the late 19th century, and he shot about once a week, and there would have been about 4 guns and 4 or 5 beaters. In the 19th century, on this estate, there were probably